So either you are nimble, or you have speed, or you have a segment that is different, and you can see it. That's very important for businesses. The second thing is that as you go forward, you find people who have insatiable appetite to win. That has nothing to do whether you are a large company or a small company. And those people then require training, mentoring, and teaching. But the person says, I have insatiable appetite to win, but you must go to the consumer's house who buys your product and see what's the satisfaction. How is it different? How many people this person tells that here is this.
So there's that whole idea that even if you're small and niche, but there's a sense of personal reach out, and that is critical. So when you both were talking about entrepreneurship, what do you feel about the wave of entrepreneurs that India is producing today? Do you think is that something that could be a game changer for us in the coming decade?
I have to tell you that India has minimum of two kinds of entrepreneurs. One is the normal one, small business coming, finding. But we have something more about that we now have companies like ICICI. They will help you grow. That's not an issue. Companies like E&Y, they will help you grow. Because they have departments full-time to do that. Use that. They're interested. And if you're not using it, you should consider it. But there's a different one in India compared to some other countries. We now have large-scale entrepreneurs. Kumar Mangalam Birla buys the $6.2 billion Novelis. And if you read it carefully, he says it was an entrepreneurial call when some of his people were not with it. And he makes that bet. That's entrepreneurial. And he's winning the bet.
Right.
And Nano was a bet.
So it's actually not just an initiative, it's a spirit that entrepreneurship is.
And persistence.
And persistence.
And then say, I'm going to learn any skill I need.
But so the spirit, the persistence will never be actually converted if your execution is not ideal. And I know Rakhi has a question on execution for you.
Yeah, so you spoke about the importance of the execution and having a clear vision and strategy. If a company has a clear vision strategy, how much time do you think a CEO needs to spend on execution? And what are the key steps a CEO needs to take in order to ensure that the culture of execution is instilled within the organization?
So it's a very important. Number one is that as a CEO has to say daily, I am not doing it. I'm going to get it done. I ask my people to work with me to decide the it. But the organization has to get it done. So his job is the social architect, and then seeing the various parts of the organization, moving parts are synchronized. So that's the first part. Second part is no strategy and vision is going to be ever successful unless it's very clear. Less confusion, better execution.
So therefore the middle management then needs a lot more attention in terms of how they are groomed. Devita, you were talking about it earlier. Talk to Dr. Ramcharan about that whole issue of middle management, building the team. Right.
Yeah, the first one though is the CEO team. The major problems really are not in the middle management. They are in the top two layers. Most people blame middle management. No. And so you got to look at the top two layers and say how well they are as an effective team, like a basketball team. Synchronize. Speed. Quality of delivery. Collaboration. Breaking the silos. And the next one is the right people in the right jobs. You will see people in companies all over the world that in some key jobs you have people who are indecisive. You need only one indecisive in a key job. What happens to execution?
So how do we as a country, within our companies, bring in that quality of execution and most importantly understand the lines of difference between American execution and Indian execution?
Yeah, I want to be very, very careful about this. There are many companies in America that are lousy executors. I will name them for you. You all heard of Walmart.
Yeah.
It's superb in execution. There is no patented technology. None. And there's no brilliant strategy that you can't copy. But who were their competitors? Kmart, Sears. They were bigger. They had consultants, lousy execution. So it's all over the place. Execution is not a rocket science. You do those basics like the athletes do, and repeat and repeat and repeat. It has nothing to do with fancy degrees. Business schools do not teach execution.
I've never heard that word in business school.
Right?
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They don't. They may call it, but they don't. They can't. Small cap stocks on an average have corrected about 30% in the last 15 days. Are things looking scary?
Small caps have been correcting as though the world is ending. I think there is a clear need to look at each small cap stock.
Catch S. Lorraine on Markets Mantra, only on ET Now.
You've known me for a long time.
Me too.
Me too.
Me too. I hope. But there's someone very special. Someone you've known all your life.
A friend you can trust.
Just like the one we trust.
And who is always close to you.
Who realizes your dreams in just 5 minutes.
A friend as strong as the elephant.
Muthoot Finance.
Muthoot Finance, a Muthoot M. George enterprise. Nature's goodness, gathered over 20 years in the Himalayas. Himalayan natural mineral water. Live natural.
What is the big challenge in the banking sector that you face, being a young person in the sector right now, that you would like to ask Dr. Sharan?
Well, I actually wanted to know more about talking about management innovation. You spoke about the need for differentiation. So in the post-crisis situation, what is the role of management innovation in building stronger management frameworks and therefore leaner comparative advantages within?
Yeah. The key here is that people like me will create some new terminology, then write books and make a living. The harder thing is to simplify and be practical. Today, to win, number one is speed. Number two, differentiation. Number three, as the speed is changing and you're not creating things for the change consumer, you die. That's what we got to do. And we call that innovation. So you look at it, teenagers of today in India or America, doesn't matter, compared to 10 years ago, do you see a difference?
Well, the two of them, since they've spent much of their young life studying them,
I think you're a lot more confident in India right now than we are in
That should be, and
America.
why not? Why? Because you have knowledge very fast. It's available. In the past, you got knowledge filtered. Now, if you have 13 layers, you're going to die. You know why? No speed.
Right. Leaner organizations.
The risk part of it. The risk part is very misunderstood. And people who are some of these promoters, they understand risk very well. They don't explain, probably. Many of the people don't get exposed to them. And they're so busy, they're not going to take time unless you force them. If you're doing innovation, innovation has three parts. And that applies to every business that I can figure out. First part is generating ideas. But you don't have to be the genius to generate ideas. Go to Google. Isn't it? They're free. Second is selecting the ideas. Selection is a leadership skill. It's an entrepreneurial skill. Think about that. A third one is nurturing the idea before, up to the point of launching, and then launching.
Okay, so after advising some of the world's large companies, that India will see another set of companies that will then take positions as important as some of the existing large conglomerates here.
Yeah, I think one of the things I would suggest, the Indian companies have to be unique and Indian, not a copy of America, not a copy of China.
Despite the hunger to go global, they have to keep that alive.
Going global doesn't mean you copy American, you copy Chinese, or copy Germans. No. Now I'm going to tell you, and I think I can say that to you here, the most unique global company in the world, emerging clearly, is Bharti Airtel. No other company in the world has that globalization strategy, and it is working. And it's Indian, all the way Indian. And they're going to be shaking the place up in the world.
Do you say that also because they've actually now got themselves well inside a market that's going to be potentially a huge growth driver, Africa here on?
Yeah, they developed a business approach that no other large company has in the world. And also has less risk in their approach. And it's very clear. And so you do this, then you go this, you go this, you go this, you go this. So you build unique to yourself and not copying. On the other hand, don't hesitate to learn something that somebody has.
Thank you very much, sir, for your time and for chatting up with the young business women who have a long way to go and they're looking forward to bigger ambitions. Thank you very much.
So don't forget it. Steve Jobs, Bill Gates were under the age of 22.
You should hang on to that. Because it's coming from somebody who doesn't sort of give away his wisdom without thinking. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We must rationally bury the past. When you say rationally bury the past, that's exactly what you mean. That you first of all ascertain what went wrong, and then you say, let's move ahead.
Catch Kapil Sibal in an exclusive conversation only on ET Now.
राहुल बेटा पानी पियो ना
जी यूरेका फोप से
कम ना अंकल ये लो पानी
थैंक यू खारा पानी
आपको कैसे पता
पानी उबालते हैं बीमारी का शक
आपको कैसे पता
बोरवेल का पानी
आपको कैसे पता
यूवी आरओ यूएफ कंफ्यूजन
कौन सा प्यूरिफायर ले
अंकल क्या आप पानी का डॉक्टर हो
मैं नहीं एक्वागार्ड को सब कहते हैं पानी का डॉक्टर पानी कैसा भी हो एक्वागार्ड को सब कुछ पता है एक्वागार्ड टोटल
पानी का डॉक्टर
पानी की पूरी जानकारी के लिए कॉल 39883333 अरे इसको तो सब कुछ पता है When you're in trouble, alone and blue, just look right. It's HCL. What are you doing here? Don't worry, there's always someone to help you on the other side.
HCL provides 24/7 online service support at the touch of a button. Technology that touches lives. Himalayan, the natural mineral water that truly originates from the Himalayas. Live natural. A scene becomes a world. A sound becomes a sensation. A feeling becomes an experience.
Oh my God!
Get closer. Go deeper.
It's going to be a wonderful show.
For the first time in India, Welcome to an all-new English movie channel experience. In HD. Presenting Hollywood in HD with stunning pictures in 1080i and awesome 5.1 surround sound. Only on Movies Now.
I believe you are